Alright guys, now we honor some fun and the fact that we do the best we can, right? We do the best we can. We didn't always come here to be perfect. We came here to be perfectly imperfect. So I went and picked one of these up for my son so he could have some fun. And, you know, I was wondering, was this material be toxic or not? But you know what? For the amount of time that we're going to use it, I'm not going to worry about it. And no, I haven't looked into it. I haven't researched it. But that's okay. It's Halloween. And this is what I mean, the kind of fun that we get to have. We get to decide how we're going to celebrate these holidays and what they mean to us, okay? And that allows us to shape-shift from the old world into the new world and elevate. Now, I'm going to link the recipe for these vegan waffles below. And I'm just going to give you a quick look at what we've done here. We've got organic stevia, a little bit of turmeric, not too much because this is for my son after all. But this will add the beautiful color, as well as the cinnamon and the ground nutmeg. We also have baking powder back here. Let's break through. And the recipe did call for what was it? Buckwheat flour, which I know that is also gluten-free, but we're going to use organic garbanzo flour for this recipe, and he's going to cook. But first we're going to plug this in and burn off whatever has to be burned off, okay guys, off of this. And this is going to be fun, and he's going to come and cook. We're going to heal the evil out of these celebrations and holidays, literally guys, and we're taking back our power. All right, so all the dry ingredients are going in first into the bowl, guys. So cool.
Yeah, I guess it is. So.
And we'll put the wet ones in next. Remember, this recipe is linked down below in the description. You can see the turmeric
Still more.
And the spices have added some color for us. That's okay, love.
Soup.
Now just stir it up. Guys, we're missing our baking utensils because we're still renovating the kitchen.
Yep.
Longest renovation ever. But once again, too, we honor shape-shifting, and that's what I mean, too, guys. Like, we have the right to create from our inner universes and our outer universes. And we don't have to allow the templates of old earth and what's been created here to stop us from creating these higher vibe times with our children. And they can create with their children's children, and we'll continue to shape-shift.
We're also making waffles.
To the beyond.
Pumpkin waffles. Glassy.
Dancing skeleton.
Whoa.
Baking in the kitchen.
Well, I'm mixing while I'm dancing.
Shake, rattle, and roll. Alright guys, we got some vegan butter in there.
Some vegan butter.
Let's just move it all around. Okay.
Ready,
guys? We just moved it all around, guys. I think we have enough for like 3 or 4 of these things. Alright, let's give it a shot. So guys, my son's tried some of this, and he's really garbanzo beanie, and he just ran to the bathroom. So maybe, yeah, saying he's gonna puke. So maybe don't use the garbanzo bean flour for your children. Okay. Go with the buckwheat that the recipe calls for. Let's check it out. Beautiful.
Let's have some syrup, guys. You put to shake it first.
Guys, you can also top it, of course, with like peanut butter and jelly. And I got these products and I really, really enjoy them. So we have chocolate and we also have a salted caramel. You could also top them with that. And you can decorate your pumpkins and make them really creative for Halloween.